Hi, in this video, we'll learn about collecting and gathering different types of data. So let's start considering some data. Take a look at this group of people waiting in two lines. What kind of data could be collected regarding this group? Pause the video and think of a few different categories in which data could be collected for this group of people. Some of the categories that you may have come up with could be the color of their shirt or pants, or their hair color, whether or not they're wearing shoes or sandals, or are they holding a bag or not. If you were able to talk to this group of people, you could find out their age or measure their height. The different types of data that can be collected are quantitative and qualitative values. Quantitative data is numerical, like the values in the height column. Qualitative data is categorical, like the values in the footwear column. Both types of data are very useful. If you're doing some sort of study on coffee, you may have a question like, how many cups of coffee did you drink today? That would be collected as quantitative data. You could also include a question like, what is your favorite type of coffee? That would be collected as qualitative data. Questions that require knowing a specific amount of something require quantitative data. A question like, how many hours of sleep do teens get, would need quantitative data to be able to answer it. When you use quantitative data, you can perform arithmetic computations, like finding the average price of a phone or the youngest teacher in the school. Qualitative data is useful to answer questions that deal with the why or the how or the which one. It's important to be careful to not automatically think that seeing numbers means that the data is quantitative. A good rule of thumb is to think about whether or not you are able to perform arithmetic computations or not. For example, you can't find the average zip code or the smallest color. The data collected in this question would be qualitative. Area codes are groupings, and they're not sequential or go in any kind of order. All right, well now it's your turn to dive deeper and explore more about these concepts.